Good morning. So it's 6 o'clock in Denmark. I'm going to work in a little bit, but I will start some vlogging here about Enrico Design.dk, the business. It's based in Denmark. Everything is on Danish, but the YouTube I keep English because, well, just so more can understand what's going on. This is a tray we made. It's actually the dice tray we have, and then some compartments in it to hold meeples and such. So yeah, that I'll switch the camera around. Can I do that while filming? Probably can't. We'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. So these stacks in, and then we have the dice tray here. I think that way. And put in these inserts to hold meeples and such. And I play a lot of board games, and we used to with friends, and it works. So that's good. Then I'm doing a Danish nerdy game thing. It's not fag, it's fagord, which is Danish for I don't know. Yeah, it's my brother's design. It's a learning game for students. Then there's some there you go. There you go. Need to get better at this. Then there's some colored words in, also in Danish: green, yellow, and red. And then there's some rules where you have to explain the word without saying the word, and some gesturing and like that, like charades, I think it's called. Yeah, so we're trying to sell that too. He is a teacher, my brother and partner in Enrico Design. Yeah, we are trying to do that too. So, other things. This is, I think it's called Gigi. It's missing an arm. There's a version here that has the arm. I created this with an AI generator from some photos they had of the characters. It's for geekcon.dk, if you know it. A little too expensive to produce to then sell as merch. It's probably not gonna happen. But anyways, we designed it. I really like the yellow one, so that's fun. So that's the thing we can do at Enrico Design too, is like take simple photos and help make them into figurines and such. I'm not that good at organic design, but with AI tools today, anyone can do it. So you could technically do it yourself and then just have it printed, or you could have me do it. I do know a lot of 3D printing and designing, so I might make some choices you wouldn't. So yeah, so that's kind of it. I designed a part for rooftop, some ABS, but I don't have the capacity to print ABS. So yeah, I tried, it didn't work. That's how it is. So yeah. We're going pretty okay with the business. We're getting some sales. Even got some public customers, like business customers, or well, the state. So that's good. And I bought new tools. This is a rotary table, tilting. Ooh, yeah. Haven't used yet. I'm working on a project where I need to machine some steel. With some angles in and such. So I bought this, and then I'm gonna try to finish that because I tried it and it didn't work that well. So, well, only a bad machinist blames his tools, but you also need to have the tools to actually make some things. And well, yeah, that's how that is. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit more vlogging about the day in the life or the business. It's not my full-time business. I'm a mechanical designer by day, and that's what I do. I design transport transporting what's called emballage. What's that? Packing, of course, packing, transport packing for everything at my day job. And in my own business, I do pretty much everything. I even did some emblems for a motorcycle, like on the gas tank. I think there's like a little circle where you can glue in your own custom branding. I think it was a Punisher skull. So that's fun. So yeah, talk to you later. Have a good day.